If you've been hearing about Tapswap, the viral free mining bot on Telegram, and you're curious how you can join, create your own account, and start earning by completing simple tasks, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through every step of getting started with Tapswap, setting up the account, learning to play, and tackling those mission tasks, so by the end of this video, you'll be confidently mining and making progress like a pro. Let's dive in. First, grab your phone or open Telegram on your desktop, wherever you prefer. In the Telegram search bar at the top, you'll want to type in @Tapswap bot. This is the official Tapswap bot handle, so be sure to get that spelling exactly right. You should see it pop up in the results, usually with a little coin or swap icon. Click on that to open up the chat. Once you're inside the Tapswap chat, look for the Start button at the bottom. Hit Start and you'll activate the bot. This is basically like introducing yourself to the Tapswap system. Don't worry if it takes a second to load the welcome message. That just means the bot is waking up and getting ready to set up your account. Next, you'll see a button labeled Start Now. Go ahead and tap that. By pressing Start Now, you're officially creating your Tapswap account and unlocking access to all the rewards and mining activities inside. Think of this step as opening the door. After this, you're in, and you can begin tapping away and earning those virtual coins. Here, where the fun begins, playing Tapswap is incredibly simple, and that's part of why it's become so popular. Right in the bot chat, you'll notice there's a big button that just says Tap. Each time you tap this button, you're mining coins for free. You can tap as many times as you want or until you reach your daily limit. Imagine it like a classic arcade game. Each press is like powering up your mining rig for a quick burst of earning. This part is super straightforward, so dive in and see those coins add up for yourself. Now, if you want to go beyond basic tapping and earn even more, Tapswap includes extra tasks and missions. At the bottom of the chat interface, you'll see a button called Task. Tap on that to enter the task menu. This is your chance to boost your earnings by participating in little missions. Don't be intimidated by the different options here. Each task or mission comes with simple instructions. You might see tasks like subscribing to a Telegram channel, inviting friends, or joining a social media page. Just click on a task and the bot will walk you through exactly what you need to do. If it says Start Mission, tap that and follow the prompt step by step. Remember, some tasks might take a few moments, for example, if you need to join a group or complete a quick survey. If you get stuck or something doesn't work right away, don't worry. Telegram bots aren't always instant, but just give it a retry or check your internet connection if you need to. And that's really all there is to it. From searching for @Tapswap bot to tapping to earn and completing bonus missions, you're set to make the most out of Tapswap on Telegram. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Got questions about tasks or Tapswap features I didn't cover? Drop them in the comments. I read them all and I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy tapping!